A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Put a like, leave a comment. I could get straight into this. Ladies, I'm asking you something. I'm asking man them something too. If you know somebody used today, Zane, I want to left. You go call them back and tell them, say you want all the things that you buy give them. Whether car, dresser, bed, etc., fan, fridge, the list goes on. You chew you and the person left, you tell them, say you want back your things. Ladies, if you take a lot of things from a man, that a few man them the first question. Zane, I and him left. If a man asks for something, if he asks about something, he call him mama man. I Mr. Take it back. Zane, me have a big man pan the show ya. He called him last night and he say, yo, you know a woman at Jamaica have some money for me and rate it. But you know what, hear how much money? If you never watch the show last night, me tell you so now, I miss the nightly show is sweet. This a pick off the callers. I could drive and listen what the man I say. I remember if you press the like button. I could listen.
Hey, MIXUP boss. May I listen to your program and the program sound real good. I like where I do keep up the good work, but may I call for share a story about a lady from in my town who borrow some money from me and all know me can't get the money. But me can't make some of me people them know say me lend the woman money because them they need want money if borrow from me from the same time. But boy, a woman and he when I give me what me want at that time, so me have to lend him the money and boy come like say boy come like me don't know if you do forget back the money right now.
Me go play the next voice note. If I get like a pum pum from the lady, lower money and make it go on. See? Lower money make it go on. I could listen to the next one.
Alright, so in a them time there when me meet her, me go to Jamaica and meet up with her. Somebody give me her number and me meet up with her when me go to Jamaica. Yes, me they get like a pum pum from her and after a while me come back in America and me help support her or anything. But she says she have a shop and she want put in some poker box. So that's when she asked to borrow the money to put in the poker box. But from that, from me lend her the money, boy, no pum pum no get again and the money no get. And $64,000 right now.
Papa Jesus. The man saying get little pum pum. Boy. Then if you get pum pum, ladies, you comment on the video, you can phone the video. You call that generalship. Generalship when you see woman pum pum or get no energy. Here me I go do guys. I'm going to call him and make him explain the situation. Hold on there.
Hello?
My boss.
Yes, boss.
More ask you something about the little situation. See?
Go ahead.
How much money? You say 64,000. Is it US or Jamaican dollars?
It's Jamaica. Well, it's 64,000. It work out to be Jamaican dollars.
Oh, so that would be about 450 US, 400 and something US, thereabout.
Yes.
But how may I say, like when you get little pum pum from her, you know just call it a day? Or she not get back no more?
Well, here, let me be honest about that. I'm trying to call it a day. But at the same time, sometimes when you sit down and think about it, they say, boy, I want to take you for a ride. And they might be living a lavish life where,
she can't live a lavish life. Alright, let me talk to you now. She can't live a lavish life of a 64,000. That a money where goes go in a supermarket, buy groceries if you want a house, and pay her maybe 2 billion and done. Nothing a lavish to live off of that.
No. You can't say that, because like I mentioned, the woman say she a run a shop. She want to put 2 poker box in her shop. So I'm saying if the 64,000 No, it depends on where the area is. If people going to come in and play the box often.
Yeah, but when I try some my boss.
She give me.
Alright. How old is that woman there? I'll show you something.
Well, all right. That woman there, all right. Me, I'm going to be honest, boss. Me not lie, you know. That woman make me kind of feel like when we first contact and deal with the woman, it kind of make me feel like it's a woman who me feel like we could have give all to. Because she's beautiful. She's good looking. She got good body, good waist, good everything, good waistline. That's what she gave me. You know what I mean? So, may I say, if me I invest in a certain thing where me think things are going to go between me and her, just because me they are foreign and she they are Jamaica, we could have established a better life and build up a situation.
How old is this girl? How old is she?
Well, me are 62. Me are almost 62-year-old. She is about 30. Right now, me I say about 41-year-old.
Oh, so she's 41 now.
She about 41-year-old right now.
And how long now she have the money for you? 1 year or 2 years?
No, I have about 5 years now.
5 years?
Yeah.
Lord God, man. I think of something happened last month, 2 weeks ago.
No, man, because
Left that alone, man.
No, man, the story go deeper, you know, because you all know. We all go to court. We all in a court system for your money, you know. But the court system of Jamaica don't really work out in my favor because through me there, when the court date, me can't just get up and buy a ticket to go to Jamaica. You see? No, me I go be honest. Me know you say, boy, you might as well just let it go or just give it up.
I'm going to talk to you now, man to man. You know what your problem?
Yeah, what's my problem?
You miss the girl. And you miss what you can't have now. So that's why you really want back your money.
Well,
I'm going to tell you the truth.
Me I go be honest and say this. Me not gonna say me don't miss the girl.
So, well, me I ask you something.
When I first meet the girl,
And you enjoy your pump, you enjoy your pum pum, you enjoy the pum pum, talk the truth. You enjoy the pum pum though.
Well, for the couple times, yes. Me I go be honest and say yes.
How much time she give you pum pum?
I wanna say come back to Jamaica probably about 2 or 3 times. Me can't remember because the girl can spend one whole night with me. And when she can spend a whole night with me, me not gonna lie as a man and say we didn't have a good time. We do whatever we were supposed to do, and everything was good. Everything worked out in the right direction. So me I look funny and say, boy, here I know. This woman look like a woman who me can put in on me corner. Now, let me be honest and say this. Media foreign for over 30-something years. Me have kids that's probably older than that woman. But at the same time, the woman kind of make me feel like this is me. You are the only person I need in your corner, and you are the only person I need in my corner.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Go ahead.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Yes, boss. Me understand that. Me understand that. I mean, I'll be honest, me not gonna lie and tell you, say, right now, although the woman owe me the money, me not gonna say, if the woman reach out and say certain things to me, me probably not going to, me I go forgive her because when me say the woman have beauty, the woman have shape, the woman have what it takes to hold a man.
Suppose she call you now and say, Elton, you know, say me there in my bed naked and I want some nice, want your sweet sausage in me right now. And start sending some video call and picture and say, come to Jamaica for this car. I know I hear one and you miss it. What you that do?
Well, one thing me not gonna do. Let me be honest. As a Jamaican, me I live good in America. Me not just gonna get up and just jump and go to Jamaica. If it's time for me to go to Jamaica, me will go. But not just because she show me all that and tell me all this. Me not gonna just get up and just jump go to Jamaica. You see what I mean? Because it take money to go to Jamaica. Now, me not gonna say me no rich, but I'm living good. But just because of that, me can't get all of that here. But one thing me I look at if you say, boy, you know, say sometimes me want a woman from Jamaica where, you know, certain things me can call back. Certain things me can
say you would talk to one, you would talk to one 60-year-old, you would talk to one 60-year-old Jamaican lady now.
Why it depends. Me would have talked to a 60-year-old Jamaican woman, but here or no. It depends on what sort of level is on. Because me not going to take up right now. Me the America for over 30-something years. I'm not going to say, me not going to brag and boast. I have it. I made it. I'm good. But if that woman don't have her shit together, me not go just to indulge in her. But if she willing to put the work in, to say, you know what, me want to make a better life, I would indulge in it. If she look good. Because one thing me not go do, me not go look no ugly woman. Yes.
Come again, where say if she look good?
If she look good, but me not go sleep. Me will sleep with an ugly woman. Me will sleep with a woman if she don't look good. But me not go settle down with an ugly woman until she show me that you are going to be the only one for me. Because I'm going to do everything necessary for you to love me. Because me feel like when me go out, it might be my ego. When me go with a woman, me need to be like upfront. Me need to be like the talk of the town. Me need to be like the kind of person who people going to look at. It might be an ego thing, but it's just me. Me love pretty woman. Me love good looking, shape good woman. No, to say, I'm going to say me now have, I probably have it to take care of a good looking woman. I do have that status. But if at the same time, if the woman I'm going to show me, say, you know what, just because me look good, me no interested in you and me just I going to show you me good look. Me I will cut her off.
All right. You said enough, but the bottom line is, me now you would have put her out like that. Because you see the main fact that you and her sleep together, and you see her more than one occasion, just call it a loss, man. Man give woman car, house, only for millions and lose and call it a day. So, a 64,000, just walk out. And you say you're in a position where you're not poor. You can help yourself and so. So, let's make that go on, man. All right?
Yeah.
And 5 years ago, 5 years ago, that don't make no sense, man.
Let me be honest and say this. Coming to Jamaica, when me left America and come to Jamaica, $64,000 is nothing for me to spend. You know what I mean? I am just looking at the fact that I probably want her to like kind of consider to say, you know, say, boy, if me when really deal with this man the right way, things probably would have been better for me. I'm going to say, she probably take the $64,000 and she probably, you know, live a good life with it. That's fine. $64,000, me not brag, me not boast. $64,000, I know nothing for when me come to Jamaica, me spend $64,000.
Alright, that's why I say for us make it stay. Alright, anyway, I go come off my phone now because I have some things to deal with. So thanks again.
Hey, go on. Hey man, let me say this, man. You listen to your program every day.
Yeah.
You just want to say, big up for what you do for Jamaican. Just big up for how you are put Jamaican on the map.
Thank you.
And anywhere, me can support the program.
Yeah.
Just let me know how me can support the program because it gives me fascinating all the while. We listen to the program and say, boy, you know, say, this going on my, because me married to a Jamaican woman. Me ain't gonna lie. Me married to a Jamaican woman. My baby mother. Bring my baby mother up here in America. And for my baby mother come here in America, then my baby mother no deal for almost 1 year.
So you're not married, you're married said way to her?
Yeah, I mean, she's not close to me, but it was something that me promised myself before me leave Jamaica. Say, me I go take her here to make she live a better life.
Yeah. Anyway, may I get one next call? May I get one next call?
She live a better life. I'm not mad with her because me and her no deal. It was just something that in me.
Yeah, I understand. May I get one next call? Yeah, may I get one next call? So let me try talk to the person. So,
Amen.
yeah, may I talk?
Anytime you want me to big up the program, just let me know. Anytime you want me to support the program, just let me know. I'm there with you, boss.
All right. Take care, your uncle.
Amen. Not a problem, sir.
All right. Bye-bye. Jesus God. Sorry, guys. This weird. I don't even can comment on it because that make no sense. Alright, that's all, ladies. Be careful of some man wanna take things from. Because sometimes they go on the things to control, you know. Men, careful of some of them women wanna take things from. And when they get things, then try to control you. Then try to tell her what to do. Maybe he's controlling and the girl say, you know, I can't bother with them and that. I don't feel this girl scamming me or nothing. I feel the girl asking for help and the girl knows say when he come to Jamaica she and he can't read. Or something for something. The girl probably have her man. She 41. Maybe she don't want a 64 or 62-year-old man. Maybe have a young boy or 35 or a man or 38 or 42. She don't want. She just knows the truth. I bet say maybe the woman they would have chat to one Jamaican local man or 62. He might be a rich man, a man who having business, or a man from foreign. That's how young girl get to work. Do the maths. So I found a big man who take up some young girl and a chick on herself. So, oh, you when say he thinks that him and her could have a relationship. Him just jealous because he can't get no more pum pum or sexy body. And maybe woman deal with him some way we never experience. Because them a Jamaican woman, yeah? They must sit down upon him and make him feel so good. Rub down in ear with grey chest. He rub down in chest with the bag of grey hair them. And all sort of something and he feel good. He feel like a man. So through that now he can't get back at her. He must say he sit down and he say, oh, let me get back my money from him, man. I'm going to come up with something and try to get back your money. And she said, get back why? Your man saying go court feet. Which person are the right man I go fly down for go court for 64,000? Yeah, I'm going to say somebody will come and say, and I say, you look funny. So, oh, if you look funny. I told the man up on the phone I could address. He was on the head, man. Somehow just think one way. 64,000. A man used to grind a woman. It doesn't matter. Then if every woman and man will have a relationship. Me and you did then now, Millicent Samuels or Francine. Me buy her a car, say me used to pay her rent. And me left. Me if you sit down now and write down what I want me give you. And say I want them back and bring up. Alright, that me I go do. From starting now, me I take on them an example and work the way there. So any woman me give up and David, once me left, me I go call and say give me it back. Though? Oh. A joke. I never work them way there. Anyway, guys, big up on yourself. I love you. Thanks for watching the show. And remember to check out the story with the man who is getting green card. It's up on my channel. As on the left, if you want to go listen to it, watch it till the end.
Struggle is real. But me know when I comment on the think about getting back that. So ladies, so I saw you come on. Them I show you just come on live at night time. I will get them story. Why? Situation set away. Oh. Anyway, as I'm telling you to forget about that and move on, because that don't make no sense. You just feel for human body and love her shape and everything, and she not give him. And sit down and come up with that. So as I say, we have to be careful the way I take things. So anyway, guys, later, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Bye.